Hey guys, this is Vishakan from the Math Haters Club. This is my first official video in my channel. Most people might think why the name Math Haters is given. The reason behind the Math Haters is not the math teacher or the math syllabus. The major reason why one hate math is all because of hesitation. In my video, I won't teach the normal mathematics what you have seen before, but this is somewhat practical and somewhat fun. Okay, without wasting time, just diving into the topic. And my first video is all about the Pascal's triangle. Okay, let us go with the scene 1. If someone doesn't know about what is Pascal triangle, I'll show it to you. Let's take 1 here, and I'll add 0, and I'll put that 1 on the bottom. I'll add another 0, and I'll put 1 on the bottom. I'll put the same 1 on the either side, and now I will add the 1 the previous row, and I'll put it on the bottom. Now I'll put this 1 again on the bottom. I will add this 1 and 2, I'll put it as 3, and I'll add this 2 and 1, I'll put it as 3. If I continue, I'll form a triangle, and this is called as the Pascal's triangle. Before entering into the further discussion, let us know some terminologies about the Pascal's triangle. This is scene number 2. Okay. When you look on the top of the triangle 1, that is called the 0th row of the Pascal's triangle. Most people will do the obvious mistake there. It will be the first row, but in Pascal's triangle that is the 0th row. The next one will be the first row, and the next will be second and third, and so on and so forth. From this, you should be clear that the first row is not actually the first row, it is a 0th row. When you look on the left hand side of the Pascal's triangle, all are 1s. Correct? And the right hand side is also 1. When you look on the left hand side 1s, they are called the 0th element of the Pascal triangle, or in other words, 0th element of each and every row. When I ask the 0th row 0th element, you will say as 1. When I ask 3rd row and the 0th element, always it will be 1. Okay, when you look on the next line of the numbers, those are actually natural numbers, but here it is called as the first element of each and every row. When I ask the second row and the first element, it will be 2. Hope you got it. So this is how the terminologies of Pascal triangle will go. Okay, let's see some strategy behind it. Now here is a parallel line strategy. I'll take a parallel line and I'll put it on the Pascal triangle touching the first number, which is 1. When I keep the same line parallelly on the next line, it will touch only one number, and again it is 1. I'll keep this again on the next. It will touch two numbers, which is 1 and 1. When you add up together, that will give you as 2. I'll just continue this. Whatever number it touches, I will add it and I'll put it on there. Again, again, and again. I've got some series of numbers. When I look at these numbers closely, I've got something. Have you seen this before? Yeah, absolutely. This is nothing but the Fibonacci series. I'll do a separate video about this, and this is one of the most interesting series in mathematics. Let's dive in deep. Most of the students in school time, they will hate something called the binomial expression. A plus b the whole square, a plus b the whole cube. How to memorize that formula? Always in school time we used to memorize it. By using Pascal, we don't need to memorize anything. The 0th row represents a plus b the whole power 0, the 0th power of a plus b. Anything raised to the power 0 will always be 1. The first row stands like a plus b the whole power 1, and a plus b the whole power 1 will be 1a plus 1b. The next line will be a plus b the whole square, which expands as a square plus 2ab plus b square. And when you look at the coefficients of those numbers, which will give you like 1, 2 and 1 when you closely look at it. A plus b the whole cube is expanded as a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. When you look at the coefficients, it will be inside the Pascal's triangle in the same row which it was represented. When you take the 0th row of the Pascal triangle and add all the elements there, you will get 1. When you take the first row and add 2, when you take the second row, it will give you 4, third is 8, fourth is 16, fifth is 32, and so on. When you take these answers, and when you examine that, those will be the consecutive powers of 2, starting from 2 power 0 to 2 power 6. Will keep on going. That is interesting. Huh? Okay. I'm just going to write that number in the same pattern what it is, as 1, 11, 121, 1331, 14641, and in the next line you should not write 15101051. Either you can start writing from the right hand side. You can write 1 and 5 and write 0 and carry over that 1 to the next digit. When you do that, you'll end up with the answer like that. Try this out. And the next line will give you this. Again, when we look at this, you will end up with forming the powers of 11. It never ends. Let's play something with this hockey bat. The hockey bat strategy. This is scene number 4. When you take a hockey bat and when you place it inside the Pascal triangle, how it works. Let me show you that. When I place this hockey bat on the Pascal's triangle, the number 1, the number 2 and number 3 are on the hockey bat. When I add those numbers, I'll get the number as 6, and which is on the tip of the hockey bat. To get a better understanding, I'll keep the bat here. The numbers 1, 3, 6 and 10, when you add that, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10 and 10 plus 10 is 20, and that will be at the tip of the hockey bat. Whatever position you keep on the Pascal's triangle, it will give you the answer. The sum of those numbers on the tip of the hockey bat. Amazing.